Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maulina Mandasari. I'm from the Department of Mulawarman University, 2020. Alright, I will explain about language and thought and language processing. First is language and thought. According to the views expressed by J.B. Watson, an American psychologist and founder of behaviorism, according to him, thought is language. He believes that thought is subvocal speech. For example, when we think out loud, it is called speech. When we speak covertly, it is called thinking. Next, theory of linguistic determinism. Work and his linguistic advisor Edward Sapir developed the idea that the language we speak influences the way we think. The theory goes by different names, but let's call it linguistic determinism, which helps to highlight the idea that language drives thought and that the, the way we think is determined by the language we speak. This attitude is exhibited in social norms against using racist or sexist terms of expressions, the idea being that eliminating such expressions from the language will make the accompanying stuff less likely to occur in people who hear the language. If a language lacks terms that differ in a derogatory way to classes of people, it will be difficult for speakers of the language to express the thought. So they will express other more acceptable thought instead. Next, how language is processed. Further proposed that language was a mental model, which he defined as a mental ability that is domain-specific, genetically determined, with a distinct neutral structure and computationally autonomous. Further's 1980-30, page 2001. 21. Sorry. While there are substantial disagreements about the extent to which language processing satisfies first condition, treating different aspects of language processing as if they were independent. Model, Modular process help break down a hugely complex system into more manageable chunks. Just keep in mind that the whole system needs to work together in a coordinated fashion to produce and understand language. Next, language is understood. The first potential subdomain of the production system is a set of processes that takes active conceptual knowledge and uses it to activate related word knowledge in the mental lexicon. Once a set of candidate word representations has been active, they need, to, they need to be placed in a specific order. Conceptual knowledge is not linear, but speech is because you can only pronounce one word at a time. When words have been placed in a particular order, they need to be inflected. Nonetheless, to understand how speech production works, it is it is helpful to consider different so parts of the system support it. So that is how we will process. Thank you. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.